The Android operating system. Android is a Linux-based operating system. It is designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablet computers. The operating system has developed a lot, from black and white phones to recent smartphones. Nowadays, one of the most widely used mobile operating system is Android. The Android is a software that was founded in Palo Alto of California in 2003. Android is a powerful operating system and it supports large number of applications in the smartphones. These applications are more comfortable and advanced for users. The hardware that supports Android software is based on the ARM architecture platform. The Android is an open source operating system. That means it is free and anyone can use it. The Android has got millions of applications that can help you manage your life one or another way, and it is free at low cost in the market. For that reason, Android is very popular. Here is a list of the Android versions. Coming to the Android version 1.5 to the Android version 10.0, Google has given every major Android update a desert code name. But nowadays, the tradition is coming to an end. Android Q won't get a code name like the past versions of the platform. It will be version 10, and that's the official name, Android 10. Android architecture. The Android is an operating system and is a stack of software components which is divided into 5 sections and 4 main layers. They are applications, Linux kernel, libraries and Android runtime, applications framework. In detail, applications. It controls the robotic vehicle using Android application. The Bluetooth device is interface to control unit on the robot for sensing signals transmitted by the Android application. The remote operating is achieved by a smartphone or a tablet. With the Android OS, based on the touchscreen operation, the transmitting end uses an operating device remote through which commands be transmitted at the receiver side. These commands are used for controlling the robot in all directions such as forward, backward, and left or right. The receiver and the movement is achieved by 2 motors that are interfaced to the microcontroller. The serial communication data sent from Android application is received by Bluetooth receiver that is interfaced by the microcontroller. And next other one is Linux kernel. The Android uses the powerful Linux kernel and it supports a wide range of hardware drivers. The kernel is the heart of the operating system that manages input and output requests from the software. This provides basic system functionalities like process management, memory management, device management like camera, keypad, display, and the kernel handles all the things. Linux is really good at networking and it is not necessary to interface it to the peripheral hardware. The kernel itself does not interact directly with the user, but rather interacts with the shell and other programs as well as with the hardware devices on the system. Coming to the libraries and Android runtime. On the top of the Linux kernel there is a set of libraries including open source web browsers such as WebKit and Library. These libraries are used to play and record audio and video. The SQLite is a database that is used for storage and sharing of application data. The SSL libraries are responsible for internet security. Android runtime. The Android runtime provides a key component called Dalvik Virtual Machine, which is a mankind of Java Virtual Machine. It is specially designed and optimized for Android. The Dalvik Virtual Machine is the process virtual machine in the Android operating system. It is a software that runs apps on Android devices. Application framework. The application framework layer provides many higher level services to the applications such as Windows Manager, View Manager, Package Manager, and Resource Manager. The application developers are allowed to make use of these services in their application. And finally, applications and features of the Android. You will find all the Android applications at the top layer, and you will write all your applications and install it on this layer. Examples of such that applications are contacts, books, browsers, and services. Each application performs a different role in their overall applications. Coming to the features, headset layout, storage, connectivity, messaging, multi-language support, multi-touch, video calling, screen capture, external storage, streaming media support, optimize the graphics with 2D and 3D support.